So question 1 says, which of these relations are linear and how do you know? From a table, this is a table of values, how do I know if the relation is going to be linear or not? So if we find that it's increasing or decreasing by the same amount, then is it going to be linear or not? What does linear mean again? Straight line. A linear relation increases or decreases by a constant amount every time. So how can we figure out if question A is linear? What are you going to do? We're going to calculate the first differences, it's called. I'm finding out the difference between the values to see if it's increasing by the same thing or decreasing by the same thing every time. So to calculate the differences, I take 6 minus 3. I want to know what the difference between those values are. What's 6 take away 3? Okay, then I'm going to subtract 9 take away 6. 12 take away 9. My differences are positive 3, which means that this relation is going up by a constant number, by 3, every single time. So is it linear or not? Linear. Good. Okay, so this one's linear. Okay, so the first differences will tell you the rate at which it's changing. And again, the rate of change is also going to be the slope on when you graph it. That's the slope. Okay, so let's look at B. Find the differences. So what's the first thing I'm going to subtract? 4 minus 1 equals, then what? 9 minus 4 equals 16 minus 9 equals, is this linear? No. The rate of change is not the same. It's not increasing by the same amount. When you graph it, it will not be a straight line. Okay? Sorry, that was C. Now let's look at B. Just looking at it, is it a linear relation?
Yes.
Yes, how do you know?
It's a straight line.
It's a straight line. Okay? I want you now to tell me, what is the rate of change? What is the slope of this line? So we're trying to figure out what the slope is equal to. So we need to count the rise and the run. So you're going to pick any 2 points, right? So I'm going to choose this point, and let's do this point. Is the scale 1? Okay, so I'm going to count now from here to here. Am I going up or down? 1, 2, 3, 4. Do I go up or down 4? So my rise is positive or negative 4? Negative 4. I went down 4 and I'm going to the right. How many spaces? 1, 2. I'm going to the right 2, so is that negative or positive? Moving to the right on a number line. Positive. Okay, what's negative 4 divided by positive 2? Negative 4 divided by positive 2. Come on, people. Negative 2, thank you. The slope of this line is negative 2. Is it correct that it's a negative? Look at the way the line is drawn. It's decreasing. The slope is negative 2. Is D linear or non-linear? Non-linear, good. How do we know? It's not a straight line. That's it.